Don't take me. Listen.
No, you're going.
Listen,
We're done.
listen to me.
No.
Listen to me.
No.
Listen to me. Give me a chance.
No.
Now we have this entitled mom who thinks traffic laws don't apply to her. On March 3rd, 2025, an officer stopped a woman after she made an illegal left turn into a school parking lot while rushing to drop off her daughter. But instead of treating it like a traffic mistake, she immediately turned the stop into an argument that really didn't help her situation.
You're getting stopped. You still can't make that left turn.
How am I going to get to the school?
Well, you
It's
okay?
operating hours,
It's still there. So okay,
How am I going to get to the school?
drive down and make a U-turn.
I understand if it's hours of operation, but I just need to get to the school to drop off my daughter. I'm late. So if I was cutting in into traffic, that makes sense. That
You still
makes sense.
okay? So
No, we're not doing that. I didn't commit a crime.
okay,
I
well,
did not commit a
You
crime.
did.
that's
You
what you're doing.
did.
You're gonna let her go to the school,
Yes, I am. But I did not commit a crime.
and then as soon as you're done with that, I need your license, registration, proof of insurance. So you either you. So I literally told you, you made that left-hand turn where there's a. Listen, let me explain something to you, right? Okay. So once you drop the kids off in the school, if you refuse to get it to me, you're gonna take the ride today.
You're going to put me in jail.
You're gonna go to jail. I'm telling you right now. So I need your license, registration, and proof of insurance.
The officer not only gave her several chances to avoid trouble, but also explained exactly what would happen if she didn't comply. Each warning was an opportunity to reset, but she chose to keep pushing, shifting the stop from a citation to a confrontation.
So like I said, I need your license, registration, and proof of insurance.
What did I do?
This is the last time I'm gonna ask you.
You can call the supervisor.
So
What did I do?
So I'm gonna
What
tell
did
you
I
this
do? I'm not
right now.
supposed to-
I need your license, registration, and proof of insurance.
I will. You can't. Don't.
License, registration, and proof of insurance. You're going to jail.
A typical Karen.
We're done. We're done.
Oh.
No, we're done. We're done. We're done. Stop. We're done. We're done. We're done. Thank you. Give me that hand. Give me that hand. Give me the other arm. No,
That's what you
stop.
get
Give me the
when
other
you
arm.
let your
We're done with
heart
this. We're not doing
win.
this. We're not doing this today. Nope. No, we're not. We're not. You refuse to give it to me. Stop.
Stop.
I'm done with this. I'm not playing this game with you today. You're going to jail. Stop.
Now you're in a handcuff.
Sir, you can't.
I told you already. We're done.
You asked me for my
We're done.
license.
Should have complied.
You told me you're not.
You know?
Call the supervisor and let me go get it.
Stop moving your arm.
So you've been bullying me.
Okay, ma'am, I don't know you.
Yes, you do.
I don't. Stop.
What am I going to jail for?
Resisting.
Resisting for what? For what?
I'm telling 4 adult.
Sir, I work for the city of DeLand.
Okay, that's good.
Listen,
Turn around.
you're literally.
Face the car.
Won't you?
Face the car.
Can I shut off my car?
Face, no.
What am I going to
Face
jail
the car.
for?
Resisting.
But what if I
Face the
resist
car.
for? You told me to
Face
get your
the
license for
car.
registration and then you grabbed me.
We're done.
Notice how she suddenly started trying to reason with the officer, but it was too late by then.
Yeah,
In
it's
such
too late.
arrests, it's a common behavior to disregard warnings earlier and then demand explanations after the situation had already escalated.
Don't take me. Listen.
No, you're going.
Listen,
We're done.
listen to me.
No.
Listen to me.
No.
Listen,
Not an option.
listen
Not
to
an
me.
option.
Give me a chance.
Nope.
Listen, you're gonna ruin my life on
I
myself.
gave you multiple chances.
I said
We're
I'll
done.
call the supervisor.
We're done.
You were given so many
Nice to get it for you.
chances.
Face the car.
Listen, I'm
We're
not
done.
doing this to
We're
you.
done.
Listen,
We're done. Face the car.
if you have a heart,
Face the car.
you're gonna ruin my life right
Hey, don't
now.
do me. Face the car.
Listen to me.
Face the car.
Gardner's being so mean to me right now.
Oh.
He asked me for my license registration, and I was gonna go get it. He just grabbed me.
No.
Ma'am, let me ask you this.
You're lying.
I never had.
When he
Sorry,
initiated
go
the traffic stop, did he ask you for your
No,
documentation?
no, he did
He
it.
did.
Later, he did.
He did.
And I said,
So when
listen,
he initiated the traffic,
He did, Asya. Now you're lying. You know? Turning a simple traffic ticket into a full arrest is, the fastest way to ruin your life. When this driver made an illegal turn into a school parking lot, she was subjected to a perfectly lawful traffic stop under the Fourth Amendment, which gives the officer the right to detain you based on reasonable suspicion of the traffic violation. That's within the bounds of law. Within the bounds of the law, your legal obligation is simply, obey the officer's command and hand over your license, registration, and proof of insurance. But, instead this woman immediately exhibited a textbook combination of entitlement and combativeness. She weaponized her daughter being late as an excuse, continuously cutting off the officer and arguing that she didn't commit a crime, so the laws didn't apply to her. While the First Amendment protects your right to verbally question officers or ask for a supervisor, it does not exempt you from the state driving laws. Furthermore, many people misunderstand the Fifth Amendment. You have the right to remain silent, but you do not have the right to withhold legally mandated operating documents during a detention. And, after being given multiple clear opportunities to comply, she chose to escalate the situation until the officer was forced to arrest her. The moment the handcuffs came out, her behavior completely flipped into a victim complex, crying out that, her life was being ruined. But worst part was how blatantly she lied to backup officers. She lied, claiming she was just about to get her ID when he grabbed her. The bodycam proves that was a complete lie. She spent minutes actively refusing. If you think an officer, if you think an officer is violating your rights, you use your Fourth Amendment due process right to fight in the courtroom later. You can do that. Never on the side of the road. She turned a routine citation into a criminal record because, she chose entitlement over compliance, and that's what she get. So what are your thoughts about this video? Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out. Peace.